Are you looking for a paid internship that too work from home? So this video is perfectly for you. Here we'll talk about an amazing opportunity by UNSTOP. But before we start, make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. Coming over here, UNSTOP has brought a weekend internship over here. Anyone can take part in it. Make sure you are undergraduate, whether you are undergraduate, postgraduate, engineering, management, arts, commerce, science, others, law and medical. Means anyone can take part in it. Now, the benefit of joining it is you'll be getting a stipend of 5,000 rupees. Apart from this, internship certificates, gift vouchers, school goodies, and you'll be working at your home. Means you won't have to visit the office. But here, if you are selected, you'll be invited to the office and for training purpose. But the work should be done from your home. So you can consider it. And if you are free on your weekends, you are eligible for this amazing opportunity. For the link I have already shared in the description, simply just click on quick apply and just register with the account and just join it. You have to share all your details, where you reside, your college details, etc., and simply apply over here. It's very simple and there is no charge, means it's free of cost. So make sure to take the benefit of this internship. And if you're interested in getting certified with Google, you can check out the related videos which I have linked in the description. You can just get the free certification free of cost. Okay, so thank you. Have a great day ahead. Do like the video and subscribe the channel.